Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code with True. So today we'll be talking about Python package in Python, and you will understand what Python packages are and why we need them, how to create your own package, and how to install and use external package. So you'll be learning these three main things in Python. If you are excited to level up your Python skills, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. So what is a package in Python? A package in Python is a collection of modules stored together in a directory with a special file called init.py. And when I mean init.py is with an underscore like this .py. So we have this special file in this same directory and we call it init.py. So think of this folder like containing related Python files that they are organized just to make the code better itself. So an example of package that we all know is the math package, right? If you've worked with this before in Python, whereby you just say import math, and you can use this module to perform some basic arithmetic operation in Python. So I can just go ahead and say print math dot square root of 25. So I can go ahead and run this now. Now we can see that we are getting the square root of 25. So this is a package in Python, but this math package here is a built-in package in Python that groups math related functions together. Well, okay, let's say you want to create your own package now. How can I create my own package? So the first thing you do here is go into your Explorer right here on whichever editor you are using, then create a folder. So I'm just going to go ahead and call this my package. So now I'm creating a folder here called my package. So don't forget to say it has a special file init.py. So go ahead and create this special file called init.py. So now we have this special file called init.py. Then now we can create other files or where we can refer to as modules to contain related functions that we want to work with. So I can just go ahead and create a function here, a file here called mathoperations.py, and I'll create another one called stringoperation.py. So stringoperations.py. So now I have these two files here and this special file called init.py so that I can, so Python will know that this is a package itself. So now we can go to this, okay, this math operations now.py and create some functions here. So I'm just going to go ahead and create few function here, just a function to add two numbers together. Then we return a plus b. Okay, then I'll go ahead and just create another one which I'll call def subtract, and we return a minus b. So this is our function whereby we can access when we import this our package now. So under the string operations.py, I'm going to go ahead and create a function called toUpper. Okay, upper. Now then it's going to take in text right here, and I'm going to just say return text.upper, just like that. Then I'm going to create another function called count charts. So this is just going to count the characters we have in this text. So it's just going to return the length of this text itself. So we have these two functions now in our string and another two in our Python, in our math operation. So how do we use this in our main.py? So to use this now, we are to import this module. So you can see if I should enter import right here, you can say import my package. You can see this my package now is available and it is identified as a package in Python right here. So you can see here now. So me trying to go inside this my package now, I'm landing in this init.py, right? So but I'm not going to just go and import my package, although you can say my package now dot, you can see you have access to these two functions that we have in this my package. So you can just do my package dot math operation. Then if I say go again dot c, okay, I can do that. But now I have access to this. So how we are going to import this is just going to say from my package. So from my package now, which is the directory now, we want to import this function. So I'm just going to call on math operation and string operation itself. So I'm importing these two module now, and what I want to do is now is try to access the functions I've created earlier in these packages. So I'm just going to go ahead and say print math operations dot add. Now I can access this function inside this math operator, and I can just say 5 and 2, right? So now if I should go ahead and run this now, you can see I'm getting 7, right? I don't have the function that calculates it in this code, but I have it in a separate code right here. So this is what we refer to as packages. So package is this directory right here that contain related functions that we can work with, related programs that we refer to as modules that we can work with. So it just help us to organize this, that this is the package we created for ourselves. So I can just go ahead to and try to do the same thing with the string because it says, so I'm just going to go ahead and say string operations dot count charts. Then I'm just going to give this, my name is Andrew. Okay, I think there's an extra parenthesis right here. So here I'm having 17 characters right there. So boom, we just created your whole Python package. So that's actually nice and that's good of you. So now how do we install an external package? So how do we install and use an external package? So what you do is you use pip. So Python has thousands of pre-inbuilt packages that can save you time, but you can also install packages, external packages using pip, and you can build your package and put it on pip so others can install it to use it. So I can just go ahead and say pip install name of a package. So I can just go ahead and try to install request, but note that you must be connected to the internet to install any package. So right here you can see requirement already satisfied. Right here, that's because I have request already installed globally. Right, so to check whether this file we just import installed is working quite all right, we just go ahead and say import request. And right here we just go ahead and say response equals to request dot get https. So let's just go to API github.com, and now we want to print out the response code itself. So I'm just going to go ahead and say print response dot status code. So let's go ahead and run this. So go ahead and make sure you are connected to the internet before doing this. So when we run this code now, we check the status code, we are getting a response, and now we are getting 200 status code. That's to tell us that our program is working quite all right. So that'll be all for today. Thank you very much for watching. So if you want to learn more about Python functions and how to use them well for problem solving, try to watch the next video on the screen. Goodbye, see you another time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.